Are you getting CapCut Error 4001 and saying couldn't pay, your device does not support, please replace the device on your iPhone? This usually happens due to regional restrictions, unsupported payment methods, or app glitches. In this video, I'll show you how to fix CapCut Error 4001 on your iPhone, so let's fix it right now. Solution 1. Check Apple ID region. Before we start, make sure to disable VPN and also have a stable internet connection. Now open up the Settings app on your iPhone, then tap on your Apple ID name. Now scroll down a little bit, tap on Media and Purchases, then tap on View Account. Sign in your Apple ID if it prompts. Next, tap on Country and Region. Here, make sure this country matches your physical location and the billing address on your primary payment card as well. A mismatch here is often interpreted as an error. Solution 2. Check Payment Method. Go to the Settings app again. Then, again tap on your Apple ID name. After that, tap on your payment and shipping. Make sure your card is valid and supported in your region and has enough balance as well. Or try adding a new payment method if needed. Unsupported payment methods can trigger this error. Solution 3. Offload the CapCut app. First, open up the settings, then tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone Storage. Now, scroll down and find the app. If you can't find the app here, tap on Show All. Next, tap on the app and then tap Offload, and again tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall. Solution 4. Check CapCut App Update. Open up the App Store, tap on the search icon from below, type the app's name. Now find the app and tap on it. If you see any updates available, then update the app. And now check whether it works or not. And that's how you can fix the CapCut Error 4001 on your iPhone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.